Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without breaking the bank, or your sanity. Today, we're pitting two sky-high contenders against each other. On the left, we have the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera, and on the right, the Drocon drone. Who will soar and who will crash? Let's find out. First up, the Hiturbo drone with its 1080p camera. This little guy can be manually adjusted to see what's in front or below it. Perfect for those sneaky roof inspections or capturing your friend's epic faceplant while skating. Reviewers love the clarity and detail it offers, as well as its voice command feature. On the other hand, the Drocon drone also boasts a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable FPV, providing a wider field of view. It's perfect for those looking to get cinematic shots and watch the scenery in real time on their phone. Reviewers note that while the camera quality isn't the best, it's sufficient for most users. Next, let's talk battery life. The Hiturbo drone comes with two rechargeable batteries, giving you approximately 24 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate the quick 2-hour charge time and the extended flying time, making it ideal for all ages. The Drocon drone also offers 24 minutes of flight time with its two batteries. A standout feature mentioned by reviewers is the low battery warning on the remote control, which helps prevent unexpected crashes. Now, ease of use. Hiturbo is perfect for beginners with features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing. Reviewers highlight its stability in wind and ease of use, even for children as young as 7. Drocon is also beginner-friendly with its headless mode and one-key start-land button. It comes with 3 speeds for different skill levels and an emergency stop feature to avoid mishaps. Reviewers find it easy to use and perfect for kids. Hiturbo is great, but it's not foldable. Reviewers like its compact design, but note that it requires extra backpack space for transport. Drocon, on the other hand, folds up neatly and even comes with a suitcase. Reviewers love its portability and compact design, making it easy to take on adventures. Price time! Hiturbo is a steal at $79. Reviewers find it an excellent deal for its features and performance. Drocon, however, is a bit pricier at $109. Reviewers believe that with all those extra features and the foldable design, you're getting your money's worth. Plus, it comes with a 365-day warranty, adding extra value. Reviewers generally find the Hiturbo drone to be a great option for beginners and kids, thanks to its ease of use and reliable performance. On the other hand, the Drocon drone is praised for its portability and extra features, despite some mixed opinions on camera quality and battery life. So there you have it, folks. The Hiturbo drone is perfect for beginners on a budget who are looking for a straightforward, fun, flying experience. But if you want a bit more bang for your buck, with extra features and portability, the Drocon drone is your new best friend. Remember, whichever drone you choose, the sky's the limit. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more smart buying tips, and comment below on which drone you think is the ultimate sky champion. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. Product links are in the description.